Good morning. My team is Ana Karen Avila Flota. We are going to talking about Kaoru Ishikawa, and we start.
Kaoru Ishikawa was born in Tokyo, Japan in 1950. He graduated in chemical engineering from the University of Tokyo in 1939, and where he later became a professor. In 1941, he began his career in quality at Nissan Liquid Fuels Company. He was a member of the Japan Union of Scientific and Engineers and was one of the leading exponents of equality in Japan. He was a Japanese industrial chemist, business administrator, and quality control expert, whose contribution was the implementation of quality systems appropriate to the value of business process. He is considered the father of the scientific analysis of the causes of problems in industrial process, giving his name of the Ishikawa diagram, whose graphs group all the causes of problems by categories.
Ishikawa philosophy. Quality control is the development, production, and marketing and delivery of service with optimum efficiency and profitability, and which customer will buy with satisfaction. To achieve that end, all part of an enterprise have to work together. All departments of the company must strive to create systems that facilitate cooperation to prepare thoughtfully, implement internal standards. This can only be achieved through the massive use of variable techniques such as statistical and technique methods, rule and regulation, computerized methods, automatic control, plant control, measuring control, operation research, industrial engineering, and market research.
Ishikawa Quality Control Circle. And since quality control can only be achieved by the organizing of the strengths of the company, this kind of quality control is called total quality control. To implement the TQC, it's necessary. All departments must be involved. All members of the company must be involved. Managers, executives, workers, etc. And quality control must be implemented as a whole. Total quality control consists of developing, controlling, and guaranteeing the quality of products and service.
Ishikawa quality principle. The first is quality begins with education and ends with education. Number two, data without disparate information variable is fails. Number three, the first tips toward quality is to know the needs of the customer. Number four, uh, the ideal state of quality control occurs when inspection is no longer necessary. Number five, eliminate the root cause and not the symptoms. Number six, quality control is the responsibility of all workers in all divisions. Number seven, don't confuse meant with goals. Number eight, put quality first and set your six on long-term profits. Number nine, marketing is the input and output of quality. 10. Senior management shall not show anger when there's subordinate present than with the facts. 11. 95% of a company problem can be solved with simple analytical thoughts.
Ishikawa diagram is the simple graphic present in the form of fish of a mind map, where is a quickly and clearly seen which are the causes, problems or terms to be analyzed, and how they are related to the problem or effect. With this well elaborate analysis tool, we can be detect the relationship between a quality indicator and the factors that contribute to this existence. There are three methods to perform to the Ishikawa diagram, which are the first and the process follow method, and which is the method the main line of the Ishikawa diagram follows the normal sequence of the process in which the analyzed problems occurs, the main stage of the process, and the factors that affect the quality characteristics are noted and added in the corresponding order. It allows exploring alternative ways of working and detecting bottlenecks and discovering hidden problems.
2. 6M or scatter analysis methods. Group potential cause into 6 branches. Work methods, workmanship, materials, machinery, measurement, environment. environment. And number 3, stratification methods. With this method of construction of the diagram should go directly to the potential cause of the problem. The selection of the cause is done by uh, brainstorming to try to attack the real cause and no consequence or reflection. It's goes from the general to the particular.
The steps to be followed for the construction on a Ishikawa diagram are the following. And first, clearly define and delimit the problem or issues to be analyzed. Then decide what type of Ishikawa diagram to use. Third, search of the product causes as concrete as possible with the support of the chosen diagram and through the brainstorm session. And fourth, represent the ideas obtained in the Ishikawa diagram and analyze the diagram. 5. And decide which are the most important causes to delegate. And 6. Decide which cause to act on. And 7. Prepare an action plan for each of the causes to be investigated or corrected.
Um, the 7 basic thoughts. Inspired by his tradition, Kaoru Ishikawa, an expert in quality control, established the 7 basic thoughts, which are number 1, and the first is cause effect diagram, or also called Ishikawa diagram. Number 2 is gathering set and or data collection. Number 3, histogram. Number 4, Pareto diagram, or the 80-20 rule. Number 5, stratification. Number 6, scatter diagram. And the number 7 is the control chart.
And thank you for your attention.